cruise control and how it works. First of all, this is only on highway. Now, to activate cruise control, you're going to push up on the lever once you are in the speed that you like. Currently, the speed limit here is 60. I'm going to go to 46 and set cruise control. The cruise control is currently set to 47, 48. You can keep pushing up on the speed with the lever, up or down. The vehicle is always going to keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, even coming to a complete stop if the traffic comes to a complete stop. Right now, the vehicle is set to a 3-car length distance. I can shorten the distance with these arrows right here on the side. If I push this, that's a 2-car distance. If I push it again, that's a 1-car distance. If I want to go far again, just push it back out. Now, the vehicle is always going to maintain the speed no matter if you press the accelerator, the vehicle will also accelerate. And to deactivate cruise control, you have the cancel button on the bottom left, or just by slightly tapping the brake, you will cancel cruise control as well. If you have any other questions or any other feature you want us to cover, leave it in the comments down below.